we're going to go over our letters and sounds first. Get your arms ready. Here we go. And you're going to say the sound, the letter, the sound, and the motion. A, astronaut. Very good with both arms. Astronaut. Very good. B, baby. Good job. C, cactus. D, dolphin. Good job. E, escalator. Excellent. F, fountain. Good job. G, goose. F, is that an F? That's an H. Say H. Helicopter. Good job. I, igloo. Good job. J, jaguar. Good job. K, kangaroo. Good job. L, lemon. Very good. N, nest. Good job. O, otter. Very good. I see you doing the motions. P, penguin. Q, queen. R, river. S, salamander. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, volcano. W, watermelon. X, very good. X-ray. Y, yo-yo. X, I think that's a Z. There's zigzags. Z, zigzag. So glad you're watching Mrs. Hamilton, right? Now, it is now Thursday. So here we go. We're going to do 2 words and see if they rhyme. Bright light. Do it with me. Bright light. Good job. Sweet treat. Say it with me. Sweet treat. Eat. Wow, you've got it going. Bun, fun. Do it with me. Bun, fun. Good job. Wild child. You say it with me. Wild child. Do it with me again. Wild child. Ild. You're right. Here we go. Smart start. Do it with me. Smart start. Art. Wow, you said it right before me. Good job. Next word. Free bee. Say it with me. Free bee. E. You're right. That's the ending sound that rhymes. Next one. Quick trick. Quick trick. Ick. You're right. Why do they rhyme? Oh, the ending sounds the same. Good job. Rude dude. Your turn. Rude dude. Ood. Very good. Next word. Play May. You do it. Play may. It's at the end. Play may. A. Very good. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. Get your hand up. Beginning sound. Good job. Name. What's the word? Name. What's that first beginning sound? Name. Very good. It sure was. Pick. What's the word? Pick. Beginning sound. Pick. Very good. Queen. Queen. What's that word? Queen. What's the beginning sound? Very good. Run. What's the word? Run. What's the beginning sound? Run. You're right. It was Good job. See. What's the word? See. S is at the beginning. Good job. Talk. What's the word? Talk. T is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Very. What's the word? Very. Good job. When. When. Woo! You're right. Good job listening. Yell. What's the word? Yell. Y. Very good. Zip. Zip. What's the beginning sound? Zzz. Good job. Put your hand on your back. Say, wow, I'm doing so good. You sure are. Now, I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to put it together and make it a compound word. All right, here we go. Butterfly. Butterfly. That's what we're going to do in class. Next word. Doorbell. Doorbell. Good job. Everything. Everything. Good job. Goldfish. Goldfish. Mailman. Mailman. Good job. Inside. Inside. Good job. Airplane. Airplane. Awesome. Listen. Wildlife. Wildlife. Good job. Downstairs. Downstairs. Good job. Snowman. Snowman. You're doing so good. Go. Good job, brain. You're doing so good. Now the next thing we're going to do, making sure my papers aren't together, is the ending sound. Get your ending sound hand up. Good job. Life. What's the word? Life. Last sound I said. Life. Is the ending sound. We're doing the ending sound now. Egg. What's the word? Egg. Egg. What's that ending sound? G. You're right. Good job. Next word. Park. What's the word? Park. What's that ending sound? Park. It's the K. Very good. Next word. Cage. What's the word? Cage. What's that ending sound? Cage. J. Very good. Doll. Doll. What's the ending sound? Oh, wow, you said it right before me. Good job. Room. What's the word? Room. Room. Very good. Clap. What's the word? Clap. Clap. Is that at the end? Good job. Eat. What's the word? Eat. It is at the end. Last word for this one. Dress. What's the word? Dress. Says at the end. Good job. Now, I'm going to say a compound word, and you're going to put them into 2 words. Remember, a compound is 2 words put together. So you're going to pull it apart and tell me what the 2 words are. All right, we're ready. Bathroom. What's the word? Bathroom. Very good. I heard you say bathroom. Next word. Cardboard. What's the word? Cardboard. heard you say cardboard. Excellent. Fireman. What's the word? Fireman. Firemen, you said. Firemen. Very good. Cornbread. What's the word? Cornbread. Corn, bread. Good job. Next word. Outside. What's the word? Outside. I heard you say outside. Very good. Next word. Sandbox. What's the word? Sandbox. Sandbox is what you said. Good job. The next word is swimsuit. What's the word? Swimsuit. Swimsuit. You said swim suit. Good job. Last one. Teapot. What's the word? Teapot. You said teapot. Good job. Put your hand on your brain and go, good job, brain.